Banana cinnamon tea recipe for deep sleep, works better than sleeping pills. Many people in the world have sleeping problems, and we all know that feeling. You turn around all night, you stare at the ceiling, you think about your life, and the next thing you see is the sun coming out and you need to get up and go to work or school. Well, you shouldn't be worried because we have the right natural solution just for you. In this video we are going to show you how to make this delicious banana recipe, which will improve your sleep significantly and you won't have to worry about being tired all day. This homemade tea will help you sleep much better and recharge your batteries. There are many different things that can cause insomnia, such as stress, depression, anxiety, problems at work, etc. So when you go to bed you won't think about sleeping, but you will think about your problems at work, family problems, or you will think about the things which you have to do the next day. Well, the bad thing about this is that your brain can't relax and it's active all the time, which means you can't sleep. Some drugs and medications can also be a cause for insomnia, such as heart medications, blood pressure medications, pain medications, antihistamines, etc. These medications can contribute to sleep problems. Some of these medications will make you drowsy at first, but they can also cause some stomach problems, which will force you to go to the bathroom a lot and disturb your sleep even more. As we said, you shouldn't be worried because we have the right natural solution for you. This homemade banana tea will help you sleep much better and have enough energy for finishing your daily tasks. Here's what you need to do. Banana tea for better sleep recipe. Ingredients. This recipe is very simple and easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet. This homemade banana sleep remedy works great and it tastes great as well. So now you probably ask yourself how this remedy works? Well, we can answer that for you. Bananas, especially banana peels, are loaded with potassium and magnesium. So the magnesium helps to prevent disturbances, and both potassium and magnesium work together to help relax your muscles. We can easily say that magnesium is one of the best minerals for relaxation. Note: make sure you get 100% organic bananas for this remedy because the not organic ones are loaded with harmful chemicals and pesticides. You should get organic banana because you need to eat the banana peel as well. So it must be chemical-free banana. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make, and all you need is 10 minutes of your time. Ingredients: 1 organic banana, 1 small pot of water, a dash of cinnamon. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just cut off both ends of the banana and put it into boiling water. You need to boil the banana for 10 minutes. Then pour some of the water into a mug and sprinkle some cinnamon into your banana tea. You should drink this tea 1 hour before you go to sleep. Don't worry about wasting your banana because you can eat it. Have you ever tried boiled banana before? Well, now you can, and you can eat the banana peel as well. Just sprinkle some cinnamon over it and enjoy your warm banana. You will enjoy this delicious and healthy dessert. Why sleeping pills are bad? Many people around the world think that sleeping pills are their best option in treating insomnia. Well, let me tell you this, they are most definitely wrong. Well, the truth is that sleeping pills can't help you in the long-term process. They just provide a short-term fix of your insomnia problems. These sleeping pills are a specific type of medication that promotes and maintains sleep. Actually, these medications are classified as something called sedative hypnotics. Among other sedative hypnotic drugs are benzodiazepines and barbiturates. Benzodiazepines, these sleeping pills, can be addictive, and they are also used to treat anxiety disorders by increasing drowsiness. And the barbiturates sleeping pills depress the central nervous system, which means that they are used as anesthetics and sedatives. These sleeping medications and drugs can cause many side effects. Besides the addiction problem, these sleeping pills can cause the following health problems: constipation, dizziness, difficulty focusing and remembering, stomach pain, weakness, uncontrollable shaking, parasomnias. These sleeping medications can slow down your heart rate as well, which means that if you suffer from lung diseases, COPD or asthma, these medications can be really dangerous for you, even fatal. How sleep deprivation affects the human body. Yes, lack of sleep can be really bad for you. Your body needs at least 8 hours of good night's sleep. The consequences of insomnia can be really bad for you. If your body doesn't get 8 hours of sleep, it suffers. This means that your cognitive function, long and short-term memory, is seriously damaged. If you don't sleep enough, you won't be able to focus, or study, or do anything else. Even the simplest things in your life can be hard for you if you don't sleep enough. And the worst part about this is that sleep deprivation has been related to serious health problems such as obesity, diabetes and cancer. As you can see, lack of sleep can cause some serious health problems for you. And you can stop that just by making this delicious banana tea and drink it 1 hour before you go to sleep. You will sleep like a baby and you will wake up refreshed and full of energy. We really hope you enjoyed this post and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.